Alex Crane here with a long-term review of this portable, foldable fan. Despite its compact size and super affordable price, it delivers excellent performance and impressive battery life. Most reviews out there are like a quick summer fling. Exciting, but short-lived. I mean, if your livelihood depends on clicks and views, it's understandable. You're probably chasing the latest trendy gadgets instead of checking in on something 2 years down the line. Just for God's sake, stop calling that slop reviews. Fortunately, or rather unfortunately, thanks to the lack of both a large audience and shiny new things to review, I've had this little fan in my possession for exactly 771 days. Should have waited a little bit more for 777 for extra luck. To be honest, I didn't personally use it this whole time. I handed it off to someone close and asked them to put it to good use. After all, there's only so many fans you can use at one time. It mostly saw action during the summer months. It was a lifesaver, rescuing its owner from the sweltering misery of electrichka rides. Those Soviet-era trains that feel more like saunas with seats. These are the results I got 2 years ago. Focus on the sound and battery life. When I recently got it back to the follow-up, the first thing I noticed was the battery life. It now lasts 10 to 24% less than before, which might be related to my next point, the main reason for this video, the sound. While previously it wasn't whisper quiet and could be unpleasant on surfaces, now it developed a noticeable odd hum, making it even less suitable for quiet spaces. Well, it still sounds better than some of the clunkers I've tested. Oh, and something that I didn't test before, how the airflow drops during the duration of its battery life. Now you can observe the anemometer readings. Charging takes about 2 hours, and it doubles as an emergency power bank. But don't expect it to save your phone from constant doom scrolling. Its battery is small and loses power with energy transfer. The speeds are not that great either. So yeah, emergency. And there are options with built-in lights too, but not in this one. And here are the updated speed readings. Previously, I measured the airflow directly at the fan, but due to the difference in the fan design, I've now standardized the distance to 5 centimeters. I've also added 2 more points, 30 and 60 centimeters, to better simulate handheld and desktop usage. Each measurement was taken over 1 minute, starting after the fan had stabilized at a consistent speed. As seen during the duration testing, the airflow does tend to decrease with prolonged use. Apparently, fans get tired too. The soft silicone blades seem pretty sturdy, and you can accidentally graze them without losing a finger. But I wouldn't let a toddler near it, unless you're cool with them testing their eyeballs' durability. I always say, when it comes to pretty much anything, the fewer moving parts, the better. When it's brand new, you could hold it at the bottom, and it stayed firm. No surprise there, but over time, it's floppier than a wet noodle. I even tried prying it open to see if there's a screw I could tighten. But of course, there wasn't. Just another case of planned obsolescence. Because why let people fix things when you can gently nudge them towards buying a replacement? Sure, you could hold it high at the top to stop the wobble, but seriously, sign up for a fan and a lesson on how to handle a fragile family heirloom. If you're shopping for a portable fan, check out my other videos too, as there are far too many crappy fans out there. And use my affiliate links when you're ready to make it official. Like and comment too, as it helps independent reviewers like myself keep the wind on blowing. Alex Crane, over and out.